Hi traders, today is 13th of August 2019. We are now live for crude oil day trading, WTI NYMEX CLU9 September contract 2019. So in this video, I will show you how I do scalping every day, the way I do it from my setup. So at this moment, the time is 10 past 9 a.m. New York time here, and my local time is midnight time, so I'm 12 hours ahead of New York. So in this video I will show you how I do scalping in a quick and easy entry for each US session. I do it every day, so you can watch all my video daily at my playlist. By the way, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and there's a link below for live signal, live telegram signal, which you can find it in the description below. So this is how I trigger all my signal. So you can join in, just click the link provided and proceed with the instruction and choose the plan for free trial. Okay, let's go back to the chart. So let's take a look on the volume. At this moment we can see there's a no spike in the volume, so it seems like nothing much interesting. So the market have moved quite interesting, because it looks like at this moment looks like a sideways movement. Okay, let me draw something. So this is during London session, we have buys during London session and profit around 310 US dollar this evening. And now US session, hopefully the market will not go for a big sideways, which might cause us need to wait long. So normally I don't wait longer. I'm waiting for the first signal appeared during US session, and we'll enter the market and then exit. So in with my setup, there's a lot of signal appeared, and you can choose any one of them. Just for my side, I don't like to watch the chart most of the time. And so as you can see all my video, mostly the setup or signal or my entry will be triggered much more earlier. So there's a possibility for buy signal in 2 minutes time. So I will wait at somewhere at 54, 78 or 79, and hopefully the price will go for the upward movement, but not sure how long. Could be this is the peak point for another sell down, and let's wait. Could be this a possibility for this entry. I need to wait for another 1 more minutes to be confirmed. Okay, we have a positive buy signal, so I will queue my position at 54.78. This could be it. Okay, from my telegram channel, so I have sent out the signal 54.78 a few seconds earlier compared to this live video. So please don't forget to click the link below. I have included in the description, and also you can check my previous trading in my playlist. There's a lot of videos since earlier this year. Just take a look, and there's a lot can be seen in all this video. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Okay, we have Q at 54.78, and I'm expecting to exit the market maybe just before 55.00. So somewhere 97 should be, yeah, good enough, around 19 ticks. So I'm expecting 300 plus US dollar in profit. So let's wait. Okay, this is my Q by stop limit, and this is my target. So today there is no entry for US session. This is a different account. So for London session I do it in different account as well, because I don't mix for both account in one account because both is a different strategy, so different profit rate return. It looks like the price went down for a while. I hope this is the pullback and then further up. Then if that's so, then looks good for our trading at this moment. So which we have Q at 54.78. It's gonna take some time. Hopefully there is no other signal appear. If the price try to go further down, then we try to find entry before the breakout. That's how it is done. It is between 9 a.m. New York time until 11 a.m. New York time. So within this time of period, I just to find a good signal, which only one exists or two exists, and I don't want to stay longer staring at the chart. So always to maintain the same discipline every day, same routine. So I have to only watch the market for maybe 1 hour or less. So this looks good for the long run endurance in trading. So I don't expect big money in one night, but continuously some money every day, 200 to 400 US dollar in profit. It's quite interesting at this moment. We found a large volume waiting somewhere a few ticks below our current position stop limit order. I believe that this one is at 54.75. Yes, correct. So just take a look here. 125 position Q. Hope this will indicate something, but I'm expecting more or higher Q position on the selling side far above here, in which will help us to be in a successful trendy movement. So we have to wait for another 2 more minutes to see whether the market will be triggered. So at this moment we are 28 plus 9 a.m. in the morning New York time. After the price fall down, then the price reverse back to the upward movement. As you can see, there's a tendency for the market to break our position. This is our Q. Okay, we almost we in the market. So let's hope this is a strong price movement. I need to be careful. My stop limit will be somewhere at 55 or 57, 56. Okay, we are around 60, 80 US dollar in profit. This is a very strong one. So the price try to go for the higher position. So at this moment we are about 140, 160. So I will assume this is the nearest breakout. Already touched. Hopefully not reverse back. Okay, looks very positive at this moment. Let me enlarge the chart so you can see much more better. Okay, hopefully the price will not go further down. Already break for the nearest high, so now moving up. It's very interesting. So we are 260 US dollar in profit. So just watch over here. Keep climbing 280, about that area. So I will remove my stop loss. 320 now in profit. 340. Just watch this number. Okay, I think I might miss the chance to close at 340. Let's take a look on the volume. Oh, now drop back. 114. Almost we are 2 ticks away from the our exit position. Okay, let's take a look. If there is a large volume waiting somewhere on the upper side zone, there is none. I need to be more careful. Hopefully the price okay, we have found one at 55.00. There's 107 price waiting here. This is a common number, so it's not a valid idea that the price might go there. So the highest just now is 54.95, which is about 2 ticks below our target area. I should exit at best because enough is good enough. So let's wait patiently for the price to go back to the direction. So might need to revise my stop loss. Maybe I don't want to close negative. Okay, now price is 54.90. So we are back to the previous 300 US dollar. It will explode. Let's take a look now. 54.95, 54.94. Just 2 or 3 ticks. I wonder why it is so hard to reach that price level. We are 2 ticks. Okay, we are out from the market. 380 US dollar in profit. 380 US dollar in profit. Okay, let's take a look how long it will take. So I did enter the market at 9:36. This is PM my local time, so New York time 9:36 a.m. in the morning. So we exiting the market at 9:40. So it's about 4 minutes. For 4 minutes for profit about 380 US dollar in profit. So it was a good one. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and there's a link for live signal, which you will receive something like this one. So this is a live signal. So just yeah, same, all live. Okay, so that's it for today. Should be enough. I will close my chart, and this is a quite good day trading strategy setup, which is I implemented. There's a lot of signal for all time frame during US session and also London session. So I will publish my courses maybe somewhere in September or October. So feel free to subscribe the channel and follow whatever I have in a playlist. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.